Hi friends, how are you doing? I am going to explain if you are planning to purchase any land or house in Odisha, then how you can validate online whether the property is a genuine one and it belongs to whom. In order to do that, let's go to Google. If you type Odisha Khata online, then you will go to Bhulek site. The Bhulek site is a Odisha government website where uh, all the properties are actually digitalized and are uh, stored into the database. So in order to check the property, what you need to do is in this Bhulek site, you have to first select the district. These are all the districts in Odisha. Let me select Mayurbhanj, and then inside the Mayurbhanj district you can select the Tehsil. Let me go and select Karanjia, and then inside the Karanjia Tehsil let me select the village as Karanjia. Then you will see inside village Karanjia under RI circle the Khatian, plot and tenant. You can see all the detailed data. At the same time, you can see the what exactly you want to find out based on the Khatian number. You just put the Khatian number here, and if you try to see the ROR front page, you will see on whose name the Khatian is there. You can even see the back page, and then you can print. This will tell exactly what kind of plot or what kind of house is that, and then who is the owner of the house for that khata, and this will ensure the property belongs to whom and who is the current owner of the property. Let me go back to the Khatian page. So similarly, if you are looking to validate the plot, you can select the plot field and the plot number, whatever is there or whatever plot you are going to purchase, you can directly ask the plot number and put the plot number. Then if you go, you will see currently who is the owner of that particular plot. This field will tell who is the owner and all the details. Then what is the khata number and everything. Khatian is nothing but the khata. So you can see in the electronic format of the khata who owns that particular property. Now I am going to explain this in Odia for my Odia friends. आपण जेतेबेले किछि जमी या घर किनिबा को जाउचंती ताले आपण डायरेक्टली भूलेक साइट को आसी चेक करि परिबे ओडिसा रे जे पर्टिकुलर प्लॉट बा खतियान कहा ना रे अछि सेटा आपण को क्लियर विजिबिलिटी दबो जे करेंट ओनर किए एंड आपण कोनोसी फ्रॉड बा कोनोसी मिसगाइड रो शिकार हेबे नै। तो प्रथमे आपण डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिलेक्ट करिवे। डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिलेक्ट कला परे आपण तहसील सिलेक्ट करेंगे। तहसील सिलेक्ट कला परे आपण विलेज सिलेक्ट करेंगे। विलेज सिलेक्ट कला परे आपको ऑप्शन आसीज आपण खतियान नंबर रे सर्च करिया को चाहते ना प्लॉट नंबर रे सर्च करिया चाहते ना तेनांत नाम रे आपण सर्च करिया चाहते। तो आपण तेनांत करो नाम रे भी देखि परिवे जे को तेनांत को नारे से जमी बाड़ी बा खेत बाड़ी अच्छी। आपण जदि खतियान सिलेक्ट करछंती ताले आपण को पूरा लिस्ट ऑफ खतियान्स मिली जिवो। आउ खतियान नंबर को नहीं आपण फ्रंट पेज आउ बैक पेज चेक करि परिवे जे प्रॉपर्टी कहा नारे अच्छी। तो ऑनलाइन यही चेक करिवा पई आपण को काहारी साहाय्य लोड़ा नहीं। आपण निजे साइट को जाई देखि परिवे प्रॉपर्टी रो प्रेजेंट ओनर किए आ सेठू आपण को क्लारिफिकेशन मिल जिवो जे आपण जो प्रॉपर्टी किनिबा को जाउचंती से प्रॉपर्टी जेन्युइन ना नहीं। थैंक यू। आशा करूची ए वीडियो आपण को हेल्पफुल हबो एंड with the hope that you must be getting to know what exactly you need to do when you are dealing with any property. Let me take off. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please encourage us by clicking like, share and subscribe button. Also, please press the bell icon.